Dealing with narcissists can be challenging, as their self-centered nature often leads to a lack of empathy and respect for others. However, narcissists have specific individuals they hold in high regard. In this video, we will explore 10 types of people narcissists respect, shedding light on the complexities of their relationships and the qualities that garner their admiration. Number 1. Enablers. Enablers are individuals who support and validate the behavior of narcissists, contributing to the reinforcement of their inflated sense of self. Narcissists play a significant role in the dynamics of a narcissistic relationship. They are often codependent individuals who have their own emotional needs and insecurities. Narcissists are drawn to enablers because they provide the validation and support they crave. Enablers may praise narcissists excessively, overlook their faults or harmful actions, and make excuses for their behavior. Number 2. High achievers. Narcissists tend to have a hierarchy of people they respect or admire, and high achievers are one of those types. They are drawn to high achievers because they see them as a reflection of their self-worth. The narcissist may idolize the high achiever's accomplishments and view them as a symbol of success. By associating with individuals who have achieved great things, narcissist hopes to enhance their self-esteem and reputation through proximity. They may feel a sense of superiority because of being associated with someone successful and accomplished. Narcissists often craves external validation and uses the achievements of others to bolster their fragile self-image. Number 3. Admirers and followers. Narcissists crave attention and praise from others to fuel their inflated sense of self-importance and maintain their fragile self-esteem. As a result, they tend to respect and value individuals who fulfill this need by consistently providing them with admiration. Admirers and followers play a crucial role in narcissists' lives because they provide the validation and affirmation that those egomaniacs crave. These individuals are typically enamored by the narcissist's charm, achievements, or perceived superiority. They may constantly praise the narcissist, shower them with compliments, and seek their attention and approval. Number 4. Power players. Narcissists tend to have a particular interest in and respect for power players. Power players hold authority, influence, or power in various domains, such as politics, business, entertainment, etc. Power players like CEOs, politicians, celebrities, high-ranking officials, or other public figures. They see these individuals as valuable connections that can enhance their social standing and provide opportunities for personal gain. The narcissist may go to great lengths to associate with power players and gain their favor. Number 5. Sycophants. Aside from admirers and followers, sycophants are people eager to please the narcissist to gain their favor. They constantly flatter and praise the narcissist, showering them with excessive compliments and seeking their approval at every opportunity. Sycophants are different from genuine admirers and followers because their motives come from a desire for personal gain. They may go to great lengths to ensure they are noticed and admired by the narcissist. Narcissists appreciate the attention and validation they receive from sycophants. They view sycophants as loyal allies because they provide a consistent source of admiration. Number 6. Competitors. The presence of competitors allows narcissists to engage in a power struggle. It is where they can showcase their skills, intelligence, or dominance to maintain their sense of superiority. Winning against competitors gives narcissists a sense of validation and boosts their self-esteem. It reaffirms their belief that they are deserving of admiration. Paradoxically, even though narcissists may engage in power struggles with competitors, they may still respect them to some extent. They respect competitors because they possess the qualities or abilities that change the narcissist's self-perception. Number 7. Individuals with similar traits. Narcissists may show a degree of respect towards individuals who possess similar narcissistic traits. Both narcissists and individuals with similar characters understand and acknowledge each other's constant need for attention and admiration. They recognize that they both crave validation and praise from others. This mutual understanding can create a sense of connection and rapport between them. It's important to note that while narcissists may respect individuals with similar traits, this respect is often conditional and self-serving. Number 8. Benefactors. Benefactors refer to individuals who provide significant material or financial benefits to narcissists. These benefactors play a crucial role in narcissists' lives by enabling them to maintain a luxurious lifestyle, fulfill their desires, and enhance their image of success. Narcissists typically value and respect benefactors because they directly contribute to the narcissist's well-being and the maintenance of their desired lifestyle. These individuals may offer financial support, gifts, connections, or other resources the narcissist considers valuable. Narcissists reinforce their superiority and importance by associating themselves with individuals who provide such benefits. Number 9. Wealthy individuals. Narcissists often equate wealth with power, status, and success. They see affluent individuals as having achieved a high social standing. They believe that associating themselves with such people enhances their image. Narcissists are attracted to the perceived prestige and influence that come with being connected to individuals of wealth. It is important to note that not all wealthy individuals are targets of narcissists, and not all narcissists are exclusively attracted to wealth. However, the association between narcissism and the attraction to wealthy individuals comes from the narcissist's desire for validation, status, and material benefits that they perceive can be gained through these relationships. Number 10. Individuals who are exceptionally attractive. Narcissists prioritize external appearances and may be attracted to people they perceive as physically attractive. This preference stems from their preoccupation with their appearance and the image they project to others. They believe being associated with physically attractive individuals enhances their image and self-esteem. Their admiration focuses on external beauty rather than the individual's character, qualities, or abilities. In other words, narcissists may respect someone for being attractive. Still, they may not genuinely value or appreciate them as a person. Understanding the dynamics of narcissistic relationships is crucial for identifying individuals likely to earn a narcissist's respect. While narcissists are notorious for their self-centeredness and disregard for others, certain types of people may be able to garner their admiration and respect, albeit temporarily. These 10 types of individuals possess characteristics that align with a narcissist's ego-driven worldview and can exploit their need for validation, control, and admiration. If you're new here, subscribe for more narcissism-related videos. Don't forget to comment down what you think below. I will try my best to reply to all comments as much as possible.